Now I'm hoping that you are able to do all the questions what I have wrote here. Suppose the question number A, if you see e to the power 2x, it is written there, so definitely its answer is half, because coefficient of x is 2 written, e to the power 2x, then plus c. This is the first question. And similarly you also can do other questions. Suppose if I come here B, there's a gradually I wrote, so few questions are there. In front of it 3 given, and then it should be 3 by 2, because we are going to multiply 3 into half. Then whatever it is written as a e to the power 2x, we have to write, then plus c, and that is our answer for this question. If we go for the question C, then it should be negative 2 by 5 e to the power 5x plus c. Similar approach we are going to apply, because coefficient of x, main part is coefficient of x, we need to write as a 1 by that coefficient. Gradually we are going to move other questions. Suppose D, it is written here negative 2 is the coefficient, so probably you may got the point how to write it, 3 by 2, because minus goes in front of it, then e to the power negative 2x plus c is our answer of this question. Let's come to the another question E. It is having with the constant 2x e to the power 2x minus 7 written. So coefficient of x again identify as a 2, identified as a 2. Then write here 1 by 2 e to the power 2x minus 7. Whatever it is written as exponential, we have to write the same thing. We cannot add as a power or something. No, we cannot do that for integration. F is, this is the question. I'm going to do it quickly. 5 divided by negative 5, then e to the power 2 minus 5x, whatever it is written as exponential, we have to write the full thing. Now we can write simplified. 5 and 5 we can cut out, so there is a minus sign. Minus 1 means without 1 we also can write negative e 2 minus negative 5x plus c, and this is our final answer. Hope guys you understood, and you may apply the formula with yourself. I think I'm going to go gradually some other questions. See here the questions. G, it is the same but the power is negative, no problem, we can write it 3 by negative 2 e to the power negative 2x plus c. You also can write it minus sign in the middle, 3 by 2 e to the power negative 2x plus c. This is our answer. Hope you got the point. Then h, if I go again, half e to the power 2x minus 7 plus c. It is having with the square. First we need to break down with the square. If we apply the formula to break down the square, you know that we have to apply a square plus 2ab plus b square. If we make e to the power 2x minus 7, then having with the another square, we need to multiply the power and power. Then 2ab means 2 into e to the power 2x minus 7 into 1, then plus 1 square. We applied here the formula a plus b whole square. Now break down. If I break down it, it gives us e to the power 4x minus 14. I multiplied the power. The next one, whatever it is written, e to the power 2x minus 7, we need to write the same thing. Then last one is a plus 1, then dx. With respect to x, we are going to integrate. Now we are going reaching to the main integration. Before the part of the integration, you may write the full thing, integration sign and dx on the left side and right side as well. Now we are going to do the integration. So coefficient of x is 4 given, so you may write 1 by 4 e to the power 4x minus 14, whatever it is written, you have to write as a power. Then next one plus 2 into this, so we can write it 2 by 2 e to the power 2x minus 7. We also can cut out this 2, and 1, if any constant is given, means 1, no x is here, then we may write 1x, or we can write plus c, then plus c. Okay, now just we need to simplify, and we can cut out this 1 and 1, and without this value we can write. So this is our final answer. Hope you got the point how to write this. Next question is question number E here. Sorry, question number K I'm going to show you, then another question. So it's very simple. We need to split it first with the exponential. How to do that? We have to apply the formula on the top. I'm going to apply the formula directly first. E to the power 3x minus 1, so we also can write e to the power 2x means 6x square minus 2ab, 2 e to the power 3x definitely. Then minus 1 is given here, we can write here minus x, sorry, 2ab plus 2ab means only plus 1. Then it is divided by e to the power 6x given. Then integration sign dx. Now we need to split every single term separately. We're going to do that. E to the power 6x divided by e to the power 6x, it gives us 1. Then negative 2 e to the power 3x minus 6x, it gives us e to the power negative 3x. Then another 1 by e to the power 6x, it gives us e to the power negative 6x according to the rule of indices. Now we are reaching at the last stage of the integration. I think we can apply integration now directly. 1 gives us x, minus plus we can write 2 by 3, because 1 minus comes from in front of the 3, another minus is given as a in front of the 2, so e to the power negative 3x simplified already. Then x coefficient is negative 6 is given, we also can write 1 by 6. I wrote the simplified form e to the power negative 6x. This is the integration. Then plus c, only one constant plus you have to write. Hope guys you understood the way we did the question. You need to separate all the terms in terms of plus and minus. Here another part is given for question number L. Question number L, just see here how to do that question. We have to separate everything, we have to divide it by 3 to the power 6x. First we do that. First term we can write here 1 by 3 because 3 is a coefficient given. Then e to the power 5x minus 6x, which is negative x. Then another one minus 2 by 3 e to the power 4x minus 6x, which is minus 2x we can write. Then again plus 1 by 3 x minus 6x, which is e to the power minus 5x. Then minus 7 by 3 because there is a constant 3 given below, e to the power minus 6x. Now it is possible to integrate. Let's give the sign. This is the simplification part. Now we are going to apply the integration. Since it's a big term, no problem, we also can do it because all exponential functions are separately written here. Coefficient of x is minus 1, so if I divide with the minus 1, then 1 by 3 becomes minus 1 by 3 e to the power minus x. Okay, then next one, coefficient of x is negative 2. We have to focus first this one. If I go for division with the negative 2, then we have to write minus minus cancel, 2 we can cut out, then 1 by 3, and e to the power what it is written, we have to write the same thing, negative x. Next question, coefficient of x is given here negative 5, so it would be minus 1 by 3 5 the 15 you can write, and then e to the power minus 5x. Okay, one important thing, if you see any plus minus mistake, please write in the comments below instantly, and then I will correct it, or I will see your comment definitely. And if you feel that any other easy way, please comment below as well. E to the power 5x, then negative 6, another coefficient, so we may write here plus negative plus 7 by 3 into 6 is 18. 7 by 18 you can write directly because we are going to multiply 6 into 3, then e to the power negative 6x plus c. In one line we also can finish. Two line, I think this is the first line, this is the second line. We want to finish a big questions. Hope guys you understood the way we did the questions. And here I plan to show you which having with the limit. This is nothing, very simple. You have to finish first your integration, then we are going to put our limit. This integration is 1 by 5 then it is e to the power 5x, and its limit is given here 3 and 0. Instead of x we have to put here 3 e to the power 5 into 3. I am writing the whole thing first, then minus again 1 by 5 e to the power 5 into 0. This is the limit 0 given. Okay, now we can write it 1 by 5. If I take common, then the first part is e to the power 3 5 is the 15, and e to the power 0 is 1, we know, that's why you can write here negative 1, and this is our final answer in this question. Same thing, we have to finish first the integration, then we are going to insert the limit. You know already how to insert the limit. First limit, upper limit first, then minus sign, then the lower limit. Next question, having with the same almost, if I integrate it, that it should be 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2 e to the power negative 2x, and our limit is given here 2 and 0. Then let's put our limit. It gives us negative half e to the power 2 to negative 4 you can write, then minus minus plus half e to the power 0. Now if I take half common, then we also can write here e to the power 0 is 1. First we are going to write that term, then another term we are going to write minus e to the power minus 4, and this is our final answer from here to there. Hope guys you understood that the last question I'm planning to show you, and this is the all of the exponential function. If we integrate it, gives a negative 1 by 3 e to the power 2 minus 3x, then put our limit which is 2 and 1. Okay, so minus 1 by 3 e to the power 2 minus 3 into 2, this is the first one, then minus minus plus 1 by 3 e to the power 2 minus 3 into 1. Now we're going to simplify. If I take 1 by 3 common, the second term if I write first, which having with the e to the power 2 minus 3, which is having with the minus 1, and then another one, the negative e to the power 2 minus 6, which gives us minus 4. We can write answer like this. We also write in more simplified form 1 by 3. We know that negative power if written there, then it is 1 by e minus 1 by e to the power 4. Then we also